What's up friends? In this video, I am going to share my experience with the best dashcam of 2023. I've done a lot of research, and put together a list of the dashcam new update 2023 from trusted brands to help you decide for you. After extensive investigation, I discovered this stuff is profitable. People like you, if you are interested to know more about the price and other information, then without further ado, don't forget to check the description below. Let's watch the video. Number 1. The Vantrue N43 Channel 4K dashcam is a high-end car camera that can capture video in 4K resolution for the front and rear cameras, and 1440p for the inside camera. It also supports 1440p plus 1440p for the front and inside cameras, and 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p for all three cameras. The camera features IR night vision for improved recording in low light conditions and has a 24-hour parking mode to monitor your car even when it's parked. One of the notable features of this dashcam is its large storage capacity. It supports a maximum of 256 GB, which allows for hours of continuous recording. The camera is also equipped with a capacitor instead of a battery, which is better for use in extreme temperatures and provides longer lasting power. Number 2. The Rove R2K dashcam is a car dashboard camera designed to record high-quality video footage of your driving experience. The dashcam comes equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS system to allow for easy connectivity and location tracking. The camera has a UHD 2160p resolution and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, allowing you to capture a wider field of view. The WDR, wide dynamic range, feature helps to balance the exposure of the image, resulting in clear footage even in low light conditions. The Rove R2K also has a night vision feature, which uses infrared technology to enhance visibility in the dark. The dashcam has a 2.4-inch LCD screen that allows you to view your recorded footage or adjust settings. Overall, the Rove R2K dashcam is a great choice for anyone who wants to record their driving experience for safety or insurance purposes, as well as for anyone who wants to capture scenic drives or road trips. Number 3. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a small-sized dashboard camera that can capture high-quality video footage of the road while you're driving. It features a 1080p resolution and a 140-degree field of view, allowing you to capture a wide-angle view of the road ahead. One of the key features of the Dashcam Mini 2 is its ability to monitor your vehicle while you're away, thanks to its new connected features. When paired with the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone, you can receive notifications when the camera detects motion or an impact, allowing you to check in on your vehicle and potentially capture footage of any incidents that may occur. The Dashcam Mini 2 also comes with voice control, allowing you to operate the camera hands-free. You can use voice commands to start and stop recording, take a still photo, or protect a video file from being overwritten. Number 4. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam is a sophisticated in-car DVR camera that offers advanced features for high-quality video recording while driving. The camera is capable of recording videos in ultra-high-definition 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every detail on the road is captured. The dashcam features a 140-degree wide-angle lens that covers a broad area of the road ahead, while its image stabilization technology ensures that your footage remains steady even on bumpy roads. It also has super slow motion capability at 120 frames per second, making it possible to capture tiny details in slow motion. The dashcam has Wi-Fi, GPS, and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect to your smartphone and share your videos and photos with ease. Additionally, it features What3 Words location technology, which can help pinpoint your location in case of an emergency. The Nextbase 622GW dashcam also comes with night vision technology, making it possible to capture clear and visible footage even in low light conditions. And with Alexa built in, you can control the device using voice commands. Number 5. The Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam is a compact and powerful car dash camera that offers full HD 1080p video recording, a 160-degree wide-angle lens, and a Sony night vision sensor for clear and detailed footage even in low light conditions. In addition to its high-quality video recording capabilities, the Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam also features a 24-hour parking mode that allows the camera to automatically record any motion or activity that occurs around your vehicle, even when the car is parked and turned off. This can provide valuable evidence in the event of a hit and run or other parking-related incidents. The camera also has a built-in motion detection sensor that can automatically start recording when it detects any movement within its field of view. This feature can be especially useful for capturing footage of accidents or other incidents that may occur while you're driving. The Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dashcam supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB, so you can store plenty of footage without having to constantly transfer files to your computer. The camera also has a 1.5-inch LCD screen for easy playback and reviewing of footage. If you like the video, then please like, comment, and share it with your friends, so that they can also benefit from it. Finally, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the first notification of the next video.